Hello everyone, my name is Jacek Pietrzaba. I'm an experienced hardware design engineer who works with the high volume products. In my private life, I try to consider my impact of the environment from my choices. The concept which I'm going to share with you is a result of those two parts of my life. Currently, air purifiers are available on the market, but they have some critical limitations like size, power supply, cost of maintenance, etc. Those factors reduce possibility to use them in the large scales, which could affect positively not only home or offices, but villages or cities. We can also consider to plant a lot of trees, which are very good to reduce the air pollution, but during winter season or high urbanized places we have to look for alternatives. That's the reason why I try to suggest alternative. The alternative is easy to build, cost effective, low power consumption, and minimum from the maintenance standpoint. Saying that, here is the proposal. The proposal is based on the effect called stock effect, and the stock effect is created mainly because of the difference in the air temperature on the bottom of the air inside the chimney and outside the chimney. The difference in the temperature creates the difference in the pressure, which creates the natural airflow. So the polluted air travel here through the filters, HEPA filters, and is going to be cleaned, and the clean air is travel to the top of the chimney. On the top of the chimney we put the rotary chimney cool cap, which will be equipped with the dynamo, which will generate the energy for our system. Our system mainly will control two motors which are located on the both sides. One is just to close or work on to close and open the lid for the chimney. Second one is will create a shaking effect for the filters, which mechanically the particles will be removed from the filter and collected to the transparent container. Lid will be closed in two options. One time when we go with this cleaning cycle, or if the air outside is too moist. First, we wanted to prevent the air too moist travel here because we can clog the HEPA filters, and the maintenance of the filters will be reduced significantly. And the second one, we don't need to clean the moist air because typically it's not polluted. So that's how it is. The electronics from the another hand could looks like this. And it's containing of the dynamo, which generates energy. Then we have a DC-DC converter, or LDO if we want it, to supply the logic and the humidity and temperature sensor. We can have the battery charger to supply the accumulator or supercap, which all to let me say keep the energy to allow us to drive in the efficient way two motors, one for shaker and one for lead. That's the concept which I would like to share with you. As you can see, in my opinion, due to the fact that the solution is based on the physics law and it's a relatively simple construction, the model could be used in many different versions and reuse already existing construction, for example buildings, water towers, or vertical air ducts. It could be also realized as a school project, which allows students not only to learn how physics work, but also to produce a useful device. I hope you enjoy it, and thanks a lot for listening. Thank you. Bye bye.